I categorically state that the internal memo in question contains advice and information that I must clarify was neither prepared nor authorized by me, and I want to make it unequivocally clear that I did not draft, review, or endorse the contents of the said internal memo.
I'll further request you to read paragraph 8.
In paragraph 8, Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable members, I deponed that all the matters therein are alien to me, and simply put, the governor has never sought any such legal advice from me, and as such, the internal memo is a forged document, and I will not hesitate to report the same for investigations by the Director of Criminal Investigations. When I arrived in Nairobi, I went to the Parliament Police, and they told me that the only place I can lay this claim is before the DCI in Meru County. And that will be the first thing that I will do, because I feel aggrieved. I feel I was impersonated. I feel that as an advocate of the High Court, of so many years of practice, Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable members, this advice, even my own people could have done something better. I have a lot of respect for the governor. In fact, I look up to her in a lot of ways. She's a resilient woman. But when I saw this letter, my heart sank with a lot of regret.
Thank you. I will further invite you to read paragraph 13, that is in page 2. I'll tell you where to stop.
Mr. Speaker, sir, and honorable members of the Senate, I deponed in paragraph 13 that the internal memo has been forged and manipulated to appear as if it originated from me.
Thank you. Let's go to paragraph 15. No, let's do 12 first.
Paragraph 12, Mr. Speaker, sir, and members, honorable members of the Senate, I have deponed that the contents of this internal memo are not only mediocre, but also embarrassing, and to say the least, the internal memo could not have been prepared by an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Such advice must have clearly emanated from a person who has very little knowledge on serious matters of law, as such which were being addressed in that internal memo.
So, Counsel, in finality of this matter, you want to say that the document forming basis of defense of the governor has elements of forgery, especially on this internal memo?
Absolutely, yes.
Thank
Mr.
you.
Speaker, sir.
That is all for us.
Counsel, you can proceed with the cross-examination.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Because of time constraints, I will go direct to the issue.